Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to review mango green tea by Tapal. So to make this green tea we need hot water, so I'm going to boil water in this electric kettle. So let's add in the water. The ones who might be saying that this is a lot of water for 1 cup of green tea, so let me clear this, that I'm not going to make only 1 cup of green tea, but I'm going to make 3 cups of green tea, but show you one. So I've added in the water. Let's turn it on. Okay, so I've turned my kettle on, so just let the water boil. So my water has boiled over here and I'm going to let it cool down for a bit before pouring into my cup. And this is my fancy cup in which I love to drink green tea because it's like a nice size. And let's add in the water now. Okay, so I've added in the water. And over here I'm having Tapal's green tea selection pack. It has 8 flavors of green tea: jasmine, lemon, Moroccan mint tea, tropical peach, strawberry bliss, mango, ginger honey, and elaichi, which are all absolutely great. So I have chosen mango flavor to review in this video because, like, when I heard that mango green tea, I was really astonished because I have like drink and heard mango juice but not mango green tea, so I really wanted to review it in this video and show you guys. So this is the tea bags cover. They come in a really nice single packaging, single servings, so I really love this thing. Let me open this and come back to you. Okay, so I've opened the package and this is the tea bag, and like it is having little tag, and I love that. So my tea bag was set for 1 to 2 minutes, and now I have mixed it a bit so that the color comes out. Now I'm going to add in the sugar. I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar, but if you like more you can add more. If you like less, if you can add less. And if you do not drink sugar in your green teas, then do not add it. And many people drink honey in their green teas, so you can add that as well. I also love honey in my green tea, but right now I wanted to add sugar in it. Okay, so let's mix the sugar really well. Mix, 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 mix. I don't know why my tea bag is coming in my way, like it's dancing. I have a dancing tea bag. Alright, so I'm mixing it, and I think that all my sugar is dissolved, but I'm just going to mix it for a bit. Okay, mix, mix, mix. I don't know what is the problem with my tea bag, like it's dancing in this tea. First it was swimming and now it's dancing. Okay, so my green tea is ready. I've mixed in the sugar. Now let's try it. So here is the green tea that I have made like for the past 3 minutes, and the color is really well. It's like light yellow color, just as shown in this in that packaging. And let's taste it. Let me just like drink it again. Drink a sip. um like it's too sweet, I would say. Like it just tastes like original mangoes. Like the smell of this green tea is or like original mangoes, but the taste is just like mango juice. Like it doesn't taste like green tea at all, but it's just like mango juice. I would say it's too sweet. Like I would say that do not add sugar in this green tea at all, because it's too sweet. But overall, if I talk about the taste is just like mango juice, and it doesn't like taste anything like green tea. Like in my point of view, green tea is something that has a taste of like mint and some natural herbs. So this, like, it didn't seem like green tea to me. But I don't know about you guys, like you like it or not. But I would like say that it's recommended, because I liked it, like that mango taste. That because when I made it and brought it in my room, the whole room like filled with the aroma of this mango green tea, and that smell is really nice. So like you all should try it, because that's nice, and I'm going to give it a recommendation. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share my videos. Goodbye.